Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily LeetCode challenge for the day. And in this problem, we are going to solve two, reverse words in a string. And we are given a string and we have to reverse the words of the given string. So this is the whole given string, and individual word here is, this. So we reverse this, then we reverse this, it becomes here, and then we reverse this, it comes here, and then we finally at the end we reverse this. So now how are we going to do it? So in order to do this, what we will do, that we will create one string array. Let's name it as SARR is equal to S dot split. So we'll split this on the space. So in between every words, there is, blank space. And this is the regex for blank space slash S plus plus within double quotes. So double quotes is necessary. Within double quotes, we give forward slash S plus plus. So this will split the given incoming string on space, and it will return, all the individual strings comprising the, larger string, all the individual words comprising the larger string in this array. So this is named as SARR. And then what we will do, that we'll create one string builder. String builder. And in the string builder, we'll pass SARR of 0. And then we will do SB dot reverse. So this will reverse that. And then for and I is equal to 0, I less than SARR dot length plus plus I. Okay. And then what we will do, that we will write if we will write SB dot append like this. We will append, and then we will append SB dot append new string builder, and then we'll pass the current word SARRI, and then we'll say reverse, so that that word is reversed and it will get appended, and at the end we'll return SB dot to string like this, and then we'll run this. So it's causing some issue. Oh yeah, have to do like this. From 1 we have to start. Perfect. Now I'll submit it. So this is working. You see, this is, very slow. It's not, working as per our expectation. Why? Because we are using library functions, and library functions have their own overheads. Can we do something that, that will make this improve the complexity of this solution, improve the time complexity of this solution? So if we, don't, rely on library functions and do the things, using inbuilt, I'm going to say, if we create the logic on our own from scratch, definitely that will perform faster than the library code. Let's use this. Can we do that? Let's try doing it. In this, what we will do, that we'll create a char array. share array as, let's name it as SARR is equal to S dot to share array, and then it will be having this. Let's write one and start is equal to 0 and is equal to 0. Then we'll start one while loop. While the start is less than SARR dot length. Okay, and then while and is less than SARR dot length, and SARR of and is not equal to blank space, we will increment end. So once we hit the first blank space, we will end will stop at that point. And then what we will do, that we will call reverse word method, because that is the first word. Reverse word method, on that start will be the same earlier start, end will be end minus 1, and SARR, this is the area that we need to pass, and then afterwards end plus 1, and end will also be becoming end plus 1. So both of them will be incremented by 1. And then finally what we will do, that we will return new string SARR. So all we need to write now is this, write this reverse word. So what is going to happen in this reverse word, will be taking this, start is I and J, and then one char array is there. So that is, let's call it as ARR. And then we'll write while I is less than J, okay, ARR of I temp is equal to like this, and then ARR of I is equal to ARR of I is equal to ARR of J. ARR of J, ARR of J is equal to temp, like this. But we have to increment this. After doing this, we have to increment this I and then decrement this J. And then that's it. So let's run this. So this is also working fine. Let me submit it. So see, this is also being accepted and time complexity has improved. So what are we doing in this solution? So let's, take this string. Okay, in this string there are several blank spaces, like first blank space is here, second blank space is here, then third blank space is here. So what we are doing, that we are taking start is equal to 0, end is equal to 0, and then the outer loop is, start is at SARR dot length, and then the inner loop is, determining the first blank space, and from the first blank space, so let's say this is the first blank space, so this is the, start and end of this word. So what we are doing, that, we are doing reverse word, calling reverse word on start and end minus 1, because end is at the first blank space, so last character is minus 1 to the this index value. So we are coming back to this index value and doing the reverse word on this first thing. So when the first thing is reversed, then again we are, updating our start from this previous end value to end plus 1, and end also is this, and then again this while loop will be running, and then it will be incrementing this end to this value. So this is where we are, doing this, this operation, and this reverse word logic is just, it has been used many times. So what we are doing here, that we are taking 2 pointers. One is at the start and one is at the end, and till the time I and j are less than. So if they are equal, then that character need not be reversed. But when they are not equal, then those characters need to be reversed, and we'll be reversing them. And that's how we are, going about it. So this is accepted, and we'll submit this. Perfect. So let me know if you have any doubt. Please post it in the comments, and I'll definitely try to answer them. With this, thanking you all.